Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skylanders on Dolphin. This incredible emulator allows you to revisit your favorite Skylanders adventures with improved visuals and performance on your computer. We will walk through each step, ensuring you have everything configured correctly to dive back into the Skylands. Get ready to experience these classic games in a whole new way, bringing your beloved figures to life on a larger screen. To begin your journey, you will need a few key components. First, download the Dolphin Emulator, which runs on various operating systems. Next, secure a Skylanders game ROM, ideally for the Wii or GameCube. Crucially, gather your physical Skylanders portal and your collection of figures. Finally, ensure your computer has at least 8 GB of RAM and a capable processor for optimal gameplay. The most vital step is connecting your Skylanders portal. Plug your portal into a USB port on your computer. Dolphin needs to use a feature called USB pass-through to properly communicate with the portal. Navigate to Dolphin's configuration settings, then the Wii tab, and locate the whitelisted USB pass-through devices section. Add your Skylanders portal from the list to enable its functionality within the emulator. With your portal ready, load your Skylanders game ROM into Dolphin. You might want to tweak graphics settings for a sharper image or adjust controller configurations to your preference. Once the game starts, simply place a Skylanders figure onto your connected portal, just as you would on a console. The game should recognize your figure, allowing you to jump right into the action and explore the vast worlds of Skylanders.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.